color?
It's color yellow. Yellow.
Kuya, for the Legos in ground.
Huh?
Kuya, for the Legos.
Ligos?
Look, he's tickle me.
Huh?
Kuya's not behave. Behave.
Hmm? Ganahan ka dira dong no, kay nakay kadula dong no.
Ah!
Hmm?
Bakit kuya?
What?
Hisulog. Hisulog pa again.
Hisulog.
again.
Hisolog daw dong.
Yeah. Hisulog ka again. Aha!
Jetro na ulog ka dong ha.
Ibahig ko kuya. Nag-behave again.
Not behave again?
Yeah, he's not behave.
Hmm. Kuya, behave. Ziggy, what Dada say to you? What Dada say to you?
And there's many cars and many trucks.
Minutes.
1,000 cars and 1,000 trucks.
No, what he said to you? He is gonna come back there?
Yeah.
She's gonna come back there?
Going on 20 with some candy. Give it to Kuya and for me.
Ah. When she come back, she gonna buy candy.
Yeah.
Oh. What else?
Dada's gonna work in night there.
Ah, Dada's go to work in night time. Dada gonna go home a little bit. What time now? Ah, yeah.
Dada come here in there.
Huh?
Dada said I coming tonight.
Oh,
Dad.
like that. Oh,
Dada
okay.
said I coming tonight.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Dada come tonight, right?
Yeah.
So you did you cry or no?
No.
Very good. Very good, Zeke. Very good.
Kuya's not behave. Kuya's not behave and behave again.
Oh, very good. Kuya not behave, but you behave.
Behave, mangod ko?
Babe.
Yeah. Ako not behave. Ugay ka nagtulog gay na. Kay kulit ki. Ugay ko katulog gay na. Kay kulit ki ka.
Dugay ka katulog dong?
Mami, look at this.
Oh, wow. Ginaunsa day kanya dong?
What inside? Your dahon. What inside?
Gahod. Zeke, Kuya say, you're so noisy.
Ginatigan mo pag mama, kaya dili matulog.
Oh, so natulog mo duwa.
Oh, look.
Tapad mo.
Dati na matulog.
Mayo eh. Wala ka nag-cellphone.
Wala.
Very good eh. Dili ka mag-cellphone, dula lang mo kay para makapahuhay mata mo.
Wala. We need blue and more floor. Yes, kuya. Sili malago. Yung matatawan.
Did you enjoy there? Did you enjoy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you happy, Zeke?
Yeah.
Very good.
Kuya,